Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion AI for content writing. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Notion and create a new page or open an existing document. Then you're going to click inside the page and type in /AI, and then you're going to click on Ask AI, or you can also press space on a blank line to activate Notion AI. Now first, you're going to choose your writing options. So you can either choose blog post, social media caption, or article outline, summary, or rewrite. After that, you're going to type your prompt. For example, you can type something down such as write a blog post about productivity tips for students. Then simply press enter, and Notion AI will craft and generate the content instantly. You can also refine it by selecting text and asking it to improve tone, shorten, expand, or rewrite. You can also edit and structure the final output inside your page as needed once it is created. So that's basically how you can use Notion AI for content writing. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.